we're getting to that time of the preparation for Christmas where we really need a bit of play coming into our lives. So what we're going to do now is we're going to learn just to fall gently from side to side, just having fun. Pretend that you're a 2-year-old again and you're just going to fall over to one side and fall over to the other side. So if you're not comfortable sitting like this, you could always take your legs out and you could just roll sideways and just gently fall sideways. Maybe that feels good. Yeah. You could also maybe cross your legs and just rock from side to side, just falling side to side. Just getting used to that sort of sensation. We're probably free falling at this point during this sort of run up to Christmas, so we might as well turn it into a game. Now, if you're feeling super adventurous, you could even come up and you could maybe choose to fall sideways to the front slightly, fall over to the side. You might want to twist a little bit as you do that. Yeah. You could go down onto your elbows. So whatever you need, you can see my leg is going up to counterbalance. It'll happen just quite naturally. So just allow your body to have this beautiful fall and recover. And it's amazing how centered you can feel after you've done something like that.